TJ's sister gave me an early present, which I love so freaking much. One is this sunscreen. I really want putting sunscreen on my face be like a nice habit, like a new habit for me, because for 25 years I have not used sunscreen. I think I used it for like 6 months when I had sunscreen before, and I only purchased it because it was like a gift card, so I had to use it, and I was like, you know what, I'll just use the sunscreen. But I have been on the search for a good sunscreen that doesn't leave like a white, what do you call that, like the white thingy when you put it. And this one, I've used it 2 days now and it's super good. I highly recommend. I get this from Shoppers, or they got it from Shoppers, and I searched that it was $30. So I don't know if that's like a pricey sunscreen because I don't really know like the price range of the sunscreen, but really, really good. Highly recommend. And then they got me this perfume. I really want to get into perfumes this year, or like starting this year. I just feel like it's such an adult thing to do. But this is what it looks like. This is what... Oh, I'm so ugly in there. Do you see me? Hello. I also searched how much this was, and boy, she's expensive. So I'm not gonna say it on cam, but thank you, ate. Thank you, kuya. I appreciate it so much. I actually had a Coach perfume that lasted me, I would say, maybe like a year and a half, I think, but I would not use it like every day, obviously, and I wouldn't like use it crazy. I usually do this. I usually use this on my day-to-day life. Baby Bench. TJ has been teasing me about his gift since last night and been telling me that he's gonna give it to me, I think end of the night, he said, but he's outside right now trying to get it. So since earlier he was like, I want to give my gift now. You know what? No, I want to give my gift now. But he hasn't given anything. I'm gonna unbox some of my presents. Assume meron pang presents. I'm gonna unbox the one that I received, and yeah, we'll go from there. Check that one is unknown. TJ doesn't want to say. And then he's carrying his gift. What is that? Oh, you got me one?
Yeah.
You got me one of the thing.
I know, right?
I don't know where to put this.
Your room.
I have so much shit. I have so much shit in my room. Can I open it?
No, not yet.
Can I open this?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna open presents. I'm gonna open this unknown one first. Who is this from?
That one is from Edsel.
Edsel? Wow, Edsel never misses my birthday. She always have something for me. Last year, like the quarantine birthday, she got me wine. Thanks, Edsel. Oh! Wow.
What is that?
This, she got me my new favorite wine. Thanks, Edsel. And, whoa!
A light? Photo?
It's an LED photo display. Oh my god! This is so nice. Thanks, Eds. Thanks, Eds. Yeah, Chet always gets me a balloon and she never misses on birthday presents too. And look at the packaging.
Happy birthday to you.
It's so nice. I get another one.
You get a champagne?
I get a champagne rosé. She got me journals. Set of 3. I told her that I've been journaling and I like it a lot. So she got me some. Wow, a matching pencil case.
With the journals?
With the journal.
Nice.
And pencils inside. That's so nice.
Oh, a bookmark.
A bookmark. That's so nice. With my name. cream. Can you see it?
That's so cool.
So nice. I wanna cry. I have my period, so I'm very emotional too. Thanks, Jane.
That's thoughtful.
It's very thoughtful. And TJ got me this thing I've been wanting.
Yeah.
What color is it?
I think it's black. I don't know.
Babe, there's so much. Oh my god.
I picked the smallest little things that
He
you like.
fooled me. There's so many presents. He got me a nude
Tote bag.
tote bag.
They're in now, so.
Yeah, they're in. And I'm a tita now because I'm 25. Just kidding. I'm not. I'm gonna open this one. I don't know what this is.
So, that love jar
Yeah?
is all your friends' personalized happy birthdays.
Really? Oh, I'm gonna cry.
And it's not just a short message, it's a like old school letter note high school version.
I like that.
Because I told them you've been into writing notes lately.
I actually been wanting to receive birthday letters like this. There's so many.
That.
It's my mom's.
Oh, you're gonna cry? She's crying.
Why am I crying already?
I knew it, you were gonna cry.
Why am I crying already?
Because.
Okay, I'm ready. Thank you.
You thought I got you a turntable, huh?
Yeah, I was like, I don't know where I'm gonna put that.
It's one good smelling turntable.
It is. Someone skipped me Dairy Queen.
Yeah.
Ooh. I thought it was for Julian. Thank you. I don't know who this is from.
This is from Ate Ara.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you, Beshi. Right on time. I was unboxing gifts. You are so kind.
Perfect timing.
It's the perfect timing for this one. I was like, Julian, skip. So fun, thanks. We saw my friend JD in the mall, and then he gave me his birthday present to me, which is you already know, my candles lover out there.
Champagne toast.
Champagne toast! I've been wanting to buy a candle, but I have another.
This is your champagne birthday. That's what it's called.
Oh, this is my champagne birthday.
That's why Kat got you champagne.
Champagne everywhere.
Nice dance.
More unboxing. Babe.
Wow.
Baka makasarap.
Dance.
Ka lang, guys. I like it, sis.
Napansin si Chewy.
I like it.
Ano ba, TV? May pera yan, te. May pera yan.
It's a keychain of my baby.
Chewy, that's a match.
Oh.
Chewy yan.
Chewy, it's you. Over here. Over here.
Si Chewy kaya yan.
Chewy, kamukha mo.
Kamukha ni TJ. TJ!
Unboxing number 3. 3? Yeah, I unboxed 3 earlier. I mean 2.
Okay.
Ooh! She also got me chocolate.
Whoa! So wide. We could all fit.
So wide.
I'm so glad that it worked.
Everybody. Julie.
Yeah.
This is for another unboxing of the gifts that I got today. Joanna, my friend, dropped off this gift for me. Actually, it's from Joanna and from Gail. And they got me books. This one is How to Be Miserable. How to Be Miserable. 40 strategies you already used. And she got me the Jodie 19 minutes. I already have this book, but she gave me a gift receipt, so I'm just gonna exchange it to something else. But yeah, that was a little funny. And then I got another surprise from other set of friends, and they got me Nespresso pods for my pods. But what's so funny is this is actually not the size of my Nespresso. I have the original line, so I have to go and exchange it to the size that I have at home. But it's the thought that counts. So thank you, guys. I was running out of pods too. I was gonna buy some earlier when I was at the mall earlier, but good thing I didn't, because I received some today. But I just have to exchange it. But that's all that I got for my presents. And obviously, like, I'm showing it just because I want my unboxing of these presents to be memorable for me, and to be able to remember it and to watch it again in the future. Like, I just like going back to my old videos and watching my old videos. So that's why I did this unboxing of present, not to brag or anything, but I'm just really thankful for everyone that gave the time to think of what they're gonna get me for my birthday this year. And I super appreciate it. And yeah, but yeah, that is the end of this video. This is like a part 2 for my birthday, but I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.